Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily add overlays effect to your project in InVideo. So this is the studio InVideo.io. So you can you can log in with your account. This is the video editor web version. So here we go. You can upload your project or upload your media here. After that, you can drag and drop your video to this canvas, and after that, in order to add overlay, you can click elements, and this is the overlays. You can click this arrow in order to see all the overlays that provided by this InVideo. For example, you want to add this overlay, the fireworks. You just click plus button, and here we go. As you can see, this is the overlay effects. So you can try to delete if you feel you want to change this one, for example. So there is a neon color to your video. Again, you can delete it. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.